एक शोबे में पंहिंजो नालो माशाल्लाह सां मञराए रहिया आहियो ऐं काफ़ी फीमेल्स हुजनि या मेल्स हुजनि जेके तयारी कनि पिया तव्हां जहिड़ो थियण जी, दे आर एब्सोल्युटली लुकिंग अप टू यू। पर कुझु इहो बि ॿुधायो त अॼुकल्ह डोंट यू थिंक त पेरेंट्स जेके आहिनि उहे पंहिंजे ॿारनि खे प्रेशराइज़ बि कनि था त भई तव्हांखे CSS PCSE करणी आहे, अगरि डॉक्टर मनीषा कई आहे त भई तोखे बि इहा ई करणी आहे। सो डू यू थिंक त इहा शइ काफ़ी मतिलबु ईअं चऊं त तमामु घणो वधी रही आहे एंड दैट इज़ पुटिंग लॉट्स ऑफ प्रेशर ऑन students जेके
I think this is where our
हाँ.
society is actually degrading.
बिल्कुल
Had my parents told me what to do in my life, so that means कि I was not the decision maker.
हाँ exactly
I was not the master of on my own dreams. They just told me कि you have this right of seeing dreams in any direction. They did not dictate me कि तव्हांखे इहो करणो आहे, तव्हांखे इहो करणो आहे. I just wanted to succeed. ठीक है, and whatever
they
I
never
got
told you
that
to become a police officer.
they never told me to
Wow.
become, even they never told me to become a doctor, but however वो मूंखे implicit pressure नज़र ईंदो हुयो because my siblings were doctors.
Okay.
Because you know त तव्हांजी family में coming back to the point that how parents are putting pressure, I believe that this is the race of competition. ओ तव्हां जेको movies में ॿुधा हो कि कपूर अंकल की बेटी ने ये कर दिया and look at yourself. So this is very right. Why do we teach our kids or why do we teach our children to compare themselves with other children?
True.
Why can't we celebrate each other's success? Why can't we celebrate their aspirations, their interests? Because if someone is a sportsman, how do I tell them that you become a doctor?
बिल्कुल
If someone is a good doctor, how do I tell her त तव्हां पंहिंजी जेको medical field छॾे करे तव्हां इनमें अची वञो just because I have become this? Because if someone is a passionate surgeon, अगर कोई surgeon, because my elder sister is a consultant gynecologist, so I always have this debate with her that if you had got this chance त तव्हां पंहिंजी field switch कयो आहे, because I have always seen her aspiring to be a doctor, like since childhood, and she says that even if I get 2 or 3 more lives, I will still become a doctor.
Oh my God.
And I'll still pursue the same career. So this is where the passion comes into play.
So हिन फील्ड में अचण खां पोइ बि challenges आहिनि या challenges ख़तम थी विया DSP थियण खां बाद में?
मुंहिंजे हिसाब सां
As a female police officer.
as long as we breathe there are challenges.
Yeah.
And I always tell that this is not about being a female police officer, because once you wear a uniform it becomes gender neutral. You are not a female and you are just a police officer. The challenges comes with the uniform. It's not about being a female officer, it's
Gender
about being a
specific
police officer, and you face challenges. As much as we face challenges, male officers also do face challenges, but only one perception is there that we all need to accept. A little acceptance of females' performance also becomes suspicious sometimes. We believe, however, there is this perception that males perform better
than female officers.
That might prevail because in every field we have this perception. हर profession में है. But specifically I have not felt discriminated in my department or in my profession.
हेल ताईं अहिड़ो कुझु न थियो आहे?
हेल ताईं I believe that once you wear a uniform you are not discriminated on the basis of gender, because being SDPO Darakshan is also a challenging subdivision.
It is.
I have never felt that someone has actually pointed out just because I am a female officer. I am a female officer and I have
you're just doing your job.
I have been posted in a prime subdivision, so that tells more about that in police there is no judgment on the basis of gender. You are a police officer and uniform is the only identity that we have.
Any tip or advice जेका तव्हां मखसूस तौर ते आउं चाहींदसि त तव्हां उन्हनि females खे ॾियो who are looking up to you?
I have no advice. Okay. I'll honestly say that no woman needs piece of advice.
Wow.
They just need courage to come out of their comfort zone and tell the world what they actually want to do.
तव्हां सिंधी में बि चओ त उहे सभु असां जेके भेनरूं ॻोठनि बहाराड़ियुनि में वेठियूं आहिनि उहे बि
मुंहिंजी हर उन छोकिरी सां, हर उन न्याणी सां, हर उन ख़ातून सां इहा ई आई हैव दिस लिटल सबमिशन त तव्हांखे कंहिंखां बि पुछण जी ज़रूरत नाहे. तव्हांखे न मशवरे जी ज़रूरत आहे, न तव्हांखे नसीहत जी ज़रूरत आहे, तव्हांखे सिर्फ़ु हौसले जी ज़रूरत आहे. हौसलो कुझु प्रोडक्टिव करण जी, कुझु पॉज़िटिव करण जी. एंड इहो मुंहिंजो मैसेज जेको आहे, इट डज़ नॉट मीन त असां पंहिंजे सोसाइटल बाउंड्स मां निकिरी करे कुझु करे सघूं था. We have to respect our social boundaries. We have to respect our whatever we have been taught and socialized in a way. बट उहा जेकी असां सभु कुझु असां सिखियो आहे पंहिंजे माशरे में, उहा किथे बि असांजे ख्वाबनि खे हिंडर नथी करे सघे, असांखे ख्वाबनि खे अचीव करण लाइ रोके नथी सघे। अगरि उहो असांजो ख्वाब वैलिड आहे, एवरी ड्रीम इज़ अ वैलिड ड्रीम इफ़ इट्स पॉज़िटिव एंड इफ़ इट्स बेस्ड ऑन उन सोच ते उहो मबनी आहे त मां कुझु बहितर करणु चाहियां थी, मां पंहिंजी ज़िंदगी खे ऐं पंहिंजे पेरेंट्स जी ज़िंदगी खे बहितर बणाइणु चाहियां थी, त तव्हांखे सिर्फ़ु उन ज़ोन मां ॿाहिरि निकिरणो आहे। तव्हांखे नसीहत ई न, तव्हांखे महिनत जी ऐं हौसले जी ज़रूरत आहे। एंड मां हिते लास्ट में हिकिड़ी बि ॻाल्हि चवणु चाहींदमि त जीअं असां सर्टेनली हर औरत खे चवंदा आहियूं कि बिकॉज़ शी हैज़ अचीव्ड समथिंग शी इज़ अ हीरो, because I have achieved something, I am a hero in my own field and many people look up to me, but मुंहिंजो मञणु इहो आहे त हर औरत हीरो आहे। either she is a housewife, she has not been educated, but जेकी स्ट्रगल जेतिरी जिदोजहद औरत करे थी माशरे में, त असांजे लाइ उहा हर छोकिरी हर औरत ही हीरो आहे।
इनफैक्ट जेकी हाउस वाइफ पे पंहिंजो 24 कलाक इनफैक्ट कमु करे पई, उहा हीरो ई आहे।